Hi friends, in this video we are going to talk about how can we work with JSON data in Snowflake. So Snowflake can store JSON data and its hierarchy in a special data type called variant, and with the help of Snowflake we can easily manipulate JSON and its hierarchy as per our need. So let's see how can we work with that. Now let me show you the JSON structure on which we are going to work. So this is one of the JSON object on which we are going to work. This JSON object show a games tournament. It is showing the attendance, then game ID, game number, game duration and other things. A game contains two teams, team 1 and team 2. Inside team 1 we have some elements and one array. And for team 2 the structure is same. There are some elements which are on zeroth hierarchy. Let me show you the hierarchy ones. These are the columns which are on zeroth hierarchy, like attendance, coin toss, date start, event status, event type, game duration, game ID. And then there are some columns which are on first hierarchy, like coin toss winner election. And if we go into team 1, we can see abbreviation is at home, is winner, line scores, locations, nickname, scores, team ID, venue. These are on the first hierarchy. Then there are some elements which are on second hierarchy. So as we can see, this line score is a key and its value is a JSON array. So let me open it, and this array contains many JSON objects. Let me open one of the JSON object. So you can see these JSON objects are nothing but scores in each quarter. So these JSON objects are on second hierarchy. So I have already made a list over here, like which column are on which hierarchy. Like we can see that on zeroth hierarchy we have attendance, season, week. On first we have is winner, nickname and score, and on second hierarchy we have some objects which contain quarters and scores. So let me show you how can we extract these elements from JSON in Snowflake. I have one table, CFL games. So in this table we have added 5 such type of JSON objects. So you can see it is the same JSON object which I have shown you in VS Code editor. So let me show you how can we extract element from zeroth hierarchy. My column name is CLMN, and extracting element from zeroth hierarchy we are going to use colon and the name of the element. Yeah, let me run it. So you can see we are successfully able to fetch the attendance, seasons and week. Now let's extract the element from the first hierarchy. So we are going to fetch in is winner, nickname and score. So let me add these columns. We are going to take first team 1 and then is winner. Same way we can simply copy it. We can fetch the is winner for team 2 as well. Let's run it. You can see we are able to fetch true false for whether that team is winner or not. Let me fetch the nickname and score as well. Let me run it. Okay, I have missed the comma. Now you can see I am able to extract these columns as well. Now I want to fetch data from second hierarchy, I mean these objects. So let me open it once. So I want to fetch these objects. So you can see for each JSON object there is 4 occurrence of such kind of objects. So ultimately my aim is to get the 4 records for each JSON object, and each record one JSON object will persist. So let me show you how can we do that. So for extracting objects from array, we have to use a lateral flatten function. So just place a comma, then write lateral flatten, and to inside this function I have to give the path to the JSON array. Path to the JSON array is nothing but the team1 then line score. That's it. So I have to give path like so what it is going to do is it first going to create a table of these 4 records, and then it will take this table and make a join to our original table. So we will get for one JSON record we will get 4 records, each containing quarter and score. So and the value in which we are going to get those records are nothing but a value column. So let me run this query. So you can see we are getting one column, its name is value. Each record is containing 1 quarter. So our first record was lion, and for lion we are getting 4 quarters, and same for the other record as well. Now we can simply extract these values, like quarter we can extract, score. That's it. Let me run it. So you can see then we can extract this element very easily from any hierarchy. Now let me show you 2 more things. First is alias. In the name of these columns we are getting the full path. We don't want that, so we can simply alias this using as, give the name, now let me run it. You can see we have successfully able to alias these columns. One more thing I want to highlight is there are some columns whose values contains these double quotes. So we can remove these double quotes by converting this value into a string. So you can see in team1 name we are getting nickname. So this nickname is a JSON string object. To convert it into a Snowflake string object we can use the cast function, and cast function can be called with the help of double colon, and after that we can write the data type in which we want to convert. So we want to convert it into Snowflake string, so just simply write string. And same is for nickname of team2. Let me run it. You can see now those double quote has gone. So I hope friend this content has been helpful to you, and if you find it helpful just like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.